Hello and welcome to Nokomis Montessori North Campus. I am Principal Teresa Tao Yang and I am pleased to welcome you to our school. Nokomis North is centered around the Montessori method where students learn at their own pace in multi-grade classrooms. Our Montessori certified teachers help students choose their work and cultivate their interests and natural abilities. Students at our school stay with the same teacher for 2 to 3 years, which has been shown to have a positive impact on the learning environment and student behavior. If you are looking for a welcoming and caring school for your child, look no further than Nokomis Montessori North.